In this video, you'll learn how to change your Binance password. This process is essential for maintaining the security of your account. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully updated your password to enhance your account protection. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the profile dashboard, look for the settings menu, which is typically represented by a gear icon. Click on this icon to access various account settings. From the options available, select Security to proceed to the Security Settings page. On the Security Settings page, locate the Password option within the Login Settings section. This area is where you can manage your password settings. Stay on this screen as you prepare to create a new password that is both strong and unique. It is advisable to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for optimal security. Next, click on the Change Password button. A prompt will appear requesting your current password for verification purposes. Enter your current password in the designated field. After this, you will be required to type your new password in the next field. Make sure to also confirm this new password by re-entering it in the corresponding field. Take a moment to review your entries to ensure they are correct before proceeding. Once you have entered your new password and confirmed it, you will need to verify your identity. Check your device for the verification code sent to you. Enter this code in the provided field and submit your request to change the password. After submitting, be prepared for a brief waiting period as the system processes your request. Finally, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. To ensure the change has taken effect, log in again using your new password. If you can access your account without any issues, the password update is complete and your account security has been enhanced. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.